Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the benchmark test for the first time in the Lava Agni 4 device. So just now I did do the unboxing video on this Lava Agni 4 and the phone comes with a processor Dimensity 8350. So this is my first time using this processor as well, Dimensity 8350, and I'm really curious to see how this processor going to perform in the future. So let me know in the comments what are other videos you want me to upload on the Lava Agni 4 and what type of comparison videos as well. So right now I did not install any applications at this moment. As you can see, no other applications is installed, completely empty, and just now I did install only the benchmark test application, that's it. And right now I'm going to do the benchmark test for the first time in the Lava Agni 4 device. So the battery percentage is of 96%, and the temperatures is of 27 degrees Celsius, as you can see, which is pretty good, and my room temperature you can see 25 degrees Celsius. And let me to start the benchmark test, and once I start I'll try to be back again to check the temperature what's happening in this Lava Agni 4, and I'll try to do the comparison videos as well with other devices, so stay tuned for that videos. So after some time, let me to show you the temperature of this Lava Agni 4. So it's about 33.8, 34, 34.2, as you can see. These are temperatures at this moment, 38.2. So I will be back after some time again to check the temperature readings in the Lava Agni 4. So finally friends, we are getting close to the end of the benchmark test results in the Lava Agni 4. Let me quickly show you the results, how much you can actually expect in this Lava Agni 4 with the Dimensity 8350 processor. So let's find out guys in this video. So right now the score did reach about 14,96,000. As you can see, this is a score in the Dimensity 8350 processor in the Lava Agni 4 device. So which is pretty impressive score, I would definitely say that. And meanwhile the temperatures, you can see how much it did increase. So close to 37 and 38 degrees temperatures I did notice while doing this benchmark test in the Lava Agni 4 device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, is a quick benchmark test results on the Lava Agni 4. And until then, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos, and bye.